Updating your payout destination on Amazon Prime is important for ensuring you receive your payments correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Amazon website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with your payouts. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists menu at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payout destination. Within the Your Payments section, find the option for payouts or Manage Payouts. Click on it and you will see your current payout destination. Select the option to edit or add a new payout destination and follow the prompts to enter your new information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout destination details, make sure to review them for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout destination has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can ensure that your payout destination on Amazon Prime is current and accurate. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for assistance.